That's it. Alright? So for this one, we're going to put the arm about 120 degrees. Hold it there. Now, in this position, when we're doing these tests, it's not so much that I'm trying to assess how strong she is to support this arm in place. What matters is that I've got the capacity to assess the scapular stabilization. So more often than some of the other tests we do, having the right hand placement on the back, around the scapula, this support hand, not the force applied hand, is giving you the information about whether or not you have deficiencies in scapular stabilization. You get tiresome. So, where do we want to put our hand for this one? What I want to feel is whether or not that scapular border is popping off. So in this one, if you just kind of take your hand into a V shape, to where your index finger is going up the medial border of the scapula, the inferior angle kind of hits this crook, and then your thumb is on the lateral border. So just set it right in there, find that palpation, find that spot, and then apply force down. Don't let it push it down. And what we're trying to feel for is whether or not that scapula is coming off and winging. We're feeling for the inactivation of the serratus anterior so that we can feel it slide off. So, bilateral comparison, manual muscle test that. Tell me the muscles involved in this. And the proper hand placement for both the support hand on the scapula as well as where the force is applied. That all matters. And that stabilization hand is what kills people when they do this. Because they're like, okay, remember the right position is in here, and then I just push down, and that's my test. But we glean information from how the scapula responds in these tests for scapular dyskinesis. So I can't emphasize enough that that support hand has to be on the scapula. Okay? So go ahead and try that one. See how it goes. Compare it, both sides. Look with your partners.
Already lifted?
Where you been? Sleeping?
I couldn't really see what he was doing.
He was like this. So you have your hand
Gotcha.
out like that. Yeah.
It's like a little lever.
I feel like I didn't see what he was doing because he had like the other way.
What'd you say?
I couldn't see what he was doing because he had it like the other way. That's why it was like really hard. Like, what is he doing?
He was like, he has his hand like this, so he was like that, like holding the seat. Move your arm. Yeah, so he was stabilized. And then, yeah, so you just feel like that. And then we say the muscles involved in the stabilize the scapula, that help stabilize the scapula. So we say those 6 muscles.
Yeah.
You
can kind of feel something.
So from there,
I'm to sit down and just